Yes, members, you are most welcome once again. Saddam Hussein, my name, the mathematics teacher. Now, today we want to look at how we can develop the interest of our children in learning mathematics. It's very important because these children have always met a lot of bad attitude, a lot of stories, a lot of myths about performance in mathematics. But here are the simple ways how you can develop the interest of your child in mathematics. One, build positive attitude towards mathematics. How? Let this child be told stories, be told issues that concern mathematics but which are positive. For example, you can tell them about how the great men in mathematics have been performing. You can give example, you can even give an example with one of the children who is within the family or within the neighborhood who has been performing well in mathematics. Let them look at that example and tell them to compare if there's anything that they don't have that the other one possesses. That's why if you keep telling them the positive parts of mathematics, performance will always be achievable. Two, make them love the subject practically even from home. For example, when you send a child to buy things in the market, give them time. Sit with them, draw with them a table, or make a shopping list with them. Such that in that shopping list, you calculate the amount of money it's going to spend on each item. Practical at home, by the way. Let this child learn, and then from there, when he comes back, tell him, this question tomorrow will be set in examination, and I don't want you to fail it. I want to tell you that child will never fail that question because you will have assured and you will have known that this thing is practical. It is not just theoretically set in examinations at school. Then three, give time to your learners to interact. For example, if the children want to look at some of the past records of the people at home, allow them to look at those positive records. Give them the records, let them look through and keep telling them that, you see, for us, this is how we have been doing it and it was okay. I don't know why you are failing. This child will always keep the targets high and higher. Then the other one is always make them love their teachers. Let them feel that their teachers are the best. You know, when a child knows that my teacher is the best, this child will give them the teacher. But it's a mentality in some of our families that we talk ill of these teachers again. We keep talking, Mr. Swan, so mathematics is bad. So when you develop this thing in a child, this child goes at school and keeps failing that same subject because he will have not gotten a very good report about that teacher just because of you. I think with those few, when we relate them well, when you handle, and the schools, by the all schools are good. You may think that's a school which is failing your child, but attitude is the utmost thing. There are children who can even be taken to the best schools that you think about, but they may not perform. You take a child to another school in the village, that child performs. We are not equal, but where we are, education is equal because the curriculum is the same, the examinations are set the same. If PL is brought, each child from each parts of the country does the same examination. There is no difference in the examinations. So when we develop the interest of these learners in performance, everything shall be well done, and we believe these children are not weak, but the attitude that they are carrying is the one which makes it weak. I believe that when you give children time, everything will be possible. Otherwise, I still tell you mathematics is simple, everything is possible, because those who get 100 are the same as those ones who are even getting 0, but those attitudes can be changed. By the way, children who get 20%, they don't get because they want to get. Every child's dream is to be a good performer. Every child's dream is to excel, but there are these small things which are always there. And then finally, the parent and the school should be in relationship. That means you should always learn how to follow up your child positively. Don't get a child at school and when he has performed poorly this time, you just begin beating or quarreling. Get the reason, sit down with the teacher, analyze, and get yourself known. Otherwise, those are my few words for you. I believe if all is followed, everything shall be well done. Thank you very much. Greetings to all my viewers, subscribers, and everybody. I believe we shall meet once again, and then we see how best we can handle this. Thank you. The campaign will continue.